Guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm back after I just finished uploading a video for you guys, and I'm gonna give you a house tour, but just not in my room because I already showed you guys my room in the last video I just uploaded. So, okay. So this is my front yard. It says welcome. It says W-E-L-C-O-M-E. As you can see, there's a little frog there. And there's stuff. And this is the door. And then we have this. So look, it's kind of hard to open. You could do this. And so that's the front. So our carpet. My room is light. My restroom. Our dinner. It's our desk for stuff. So we have this plant that we use for decoration. We have an apple. We have a picture of me with my dad. Let me turn it around. Picture of me with my dad and Father Dodgers at school. Got a picture of my aunt's birthday. We have keys and stuff in there. Yeah. We have cleaning supply room. It smells really good in there. The living room, the fan, a couch, another couch, a couch, and this couch. You could do that. Chairs, table, marble counter, oven, stuff. And this is our pantry. You open it up, you turn on the light, sweets, bread, chips, and a lot of other stuff. And yeah. So that's done. Oh, yeah, and this is where the cups go. This is where the plates go. And bowls where you eat cereal. Fruit bowl. Fridge. You open it up, we have Oreos. Just some nerds. That will get some. Just kidding. My aunt will get mad at me, so I'm not gonna get some. Coca-Cola, cuties, and that stuff. Water bottles. Coca-Cola's, a water and lettuce. Ice. There's waffles. And outside, we're growing grass because it got seed grass. Time for the main part, the upstairs. So we go upstairs. Hi. What are you watching? Again? No, I didn't finish it. Tell me what you're doing. I'm making a video. Why? Because what are you gonna do? It's a house tour. Oh. So she's over there watching TV. This is the restroom, toilet, trash can, shower, towel, sink, under the sink, where brushes go, a scrunchie, a boat. Q-tips, and stuff to do your hair with. So that's the end of the bathroom. So I'm going to Giselle's room. This is Giselle's room. This is her closet. Super organized. She has some. Okay.